might be hard to hear me. It's Northern Differ out here, and we're out at the dam, and right behind me, we got the overflow, and I'm gonna come down here. We got me and 4 of my buddies down here, and we're about to cast out. We've been here for a little bit, and I already caught a pike, but we're over here with 4 of my friends, and we're trying to catch some fish. So we got everybody over here, and you can see out here we got the creek, and then we got the overflow over there. We're over there, and I caught a pike, and some people were catching some bowfin. So we'll be back with some better video. We're gonna catch some fish.
Not in my town, not in the south, not anywhere. Got 4 girls on 4-wheelers, took 4 shots of whiskey. Chevy trucks we drive, motorcycles we like. Ask me and Johnny on the lawn, them bonfires we all night. With the tail back till we fall down, stay passed out till we get up. Got 52 girls playing 52, pick a big stick with a can full of hiccups. Woo! I hit you with the chair, going buck wild on them hill in the South Power Bomb. You do the stairs, we some country boys. The people sailboat, we don't tell no lies. We just some country boys, we know that we can't survive. Country boys. I hit you with the chair, going buck wild on them hill in the South Power Bomb. You do the stairs, we some country boys. The people sailboat, we don't tell no lies.
Alright guys, so I've been out here for a few hours now, and I caught 2 fish. I caught a pike earlier and I couldn't get that on video, but I was over there and I caught something huge off a big pink rooster tail. And so I came over here and I'm thinking about hooking up with a bobber and some chubs we got. But I'm over here with my buddy. Everybody else went over to go get the tents and stuff. So he's over here. Say hi.
Hey, meow.
And we're just gonna be fishing over here. So I'll be back. And yeah. Maybe get some better footage.
Beer cans up in the yard, liquor bottles in southern cars, moonshine still in the jar. Boom! Let me tell you what we found.
Camp. We're going to be camping out tonight, and we got the fire going. We caught some fish earlier. We caught 2. My friends caught 2 big ass pike. I didn't get those on video, but I got them other fish on video, and we're going to get a video on the tent later, and some more videos of fishing, and then we'll have day 2 tomorrow. So see you guys in a little bit. The fire's going pretty good. Over here, we got a stockpile of wood and paper. We got big logs over here. We got camp set up. We got tents, and we're gonna be night fishing tonight, guys. And everybody's down there. You can see the light of the lantern. So we're gonna be night fishing pretty deep through the night. So we'll be back some more fishing.
Don't tell no lies, we just some country boys.